my name is Kate Montgomery. I'm a professional kinesiology practitioner, sports therapist, and naturopathic doctor. And I'd like to introduce you to an exercise device called the REV Core Pro. And this is how you use the REV Core Pro. It's advisable that you find an open space where there's no sharp objects, no sharp tables, glass windows, or anything that if you come off the disc you won't hurt yourself. It's also advisable that you don't use any controlled substances, drink alcohol, or take drugs. It's also advisable that you don't put it on a ledge of any kind that could tip this disc over. It's also advisable that possibly when you're first beginning to use the REV Core Pro that you put it in a corner of two walls in your home so that you use the walls in order to use them for support. Now, to set up the disc, it has a screw on the very bottom, and what you're going to do is tighten it down, just like that, and then you're going to lay it down on a flat surface. Now, the disc goes from 0 to 17 degrees, and you can see here's a 0, here's 5, here's 10, here's 15, and the notch at the handle is 17 degrees. And the way you change the incline is you take the lever, you put it on its side, and you take the lever and you turn it like that. And you can see that it elevates the disc to this type of incline. Now, not everybody is going to go to this height. So then what you do is you back it down when you're going to first use it, all the way down to 0. And you leave it on a flat surface, just like that. And now what you're going to do is you're going to stand up on it, and you're going to position your feet even width apart, shoulder width apart. There's a heart in the center, and you just go even apart. And then you're just going to twist, and you're going to feel the rotation of the disc. So you get a feel for it. Then you're going to step off of it, and you're going to move the lever to 5 degrees. So you're going to turn it up again on its side and move the lever. Now it's at 5. And now you have an incline, and you can see the downward slope. This is where you step up on the board on the downward slope, and you place your feet shoulder width apart, even from the heart, and you're going to shift your weight from one foot to the other. Keep your posture erect, your head up, and spin. In the beginning, do this with your eyes open. You're going to go one direction, and then you're going to go the opposite direction. And then once you've mastered that, and this does take some time and some practice, you close your eyes, and this is where you're going to get the most value from spinning on the disc, because this is where you have to focus and concentrate in order to stay in balance. And you want to rotate from one direction to the other direction. And then be able to control and stop it. And you're going to step off now. And you can do this as often as you want. And you can move the lever up to the next degree, and it increases the incline again. And then you would step up again and begin the spinning process. And then you can go back down to 5, and then I have hash marks right through here that takes you below 5, and that is for more control of core muscle strength to find out if you're bilaterally balanced. The REV Core Pro is the most amazing tool, and anybody can use it, children of all ages, seniors, athletes. This is for everyone. It is the most amazing exercise tool I've ever found, and I invite you to look at the REV Core Pro.